Hello viewers, welcome to the demo of the DeepPocket Lite web app. Managing the monthly income and saving the hard-earned money are important for the financial wellness. In the next few minutes, I will present the features of the DeepPocket Lite web app. DeepPocket Lite web app gathers all the monthly income credits like the salary, interest earnings from fixed deposits, and gives insights about the net savings out of the total income from all the banks. Figuring out the net savings from the total monthly income gives a head start in utilizing the funds better through investments in stock market or high interest fixed deposits, etc. Now let's get started with the demo. To access the DeepPocket Lite web app, go to www.techsolve.com. On the landing page, click on Web App DeepPocket Lite button and complete the subscription process. The next step is to give the Gmail authorization. Click on Sign in with Google button and choose the Gmail ID which the bank's transaction messages are received. Follow the steps to complete the Gmail authorization. The authorization process takes few seconds while the web app scans the bank transaction emails to prepare and present the insights and analytics report in an organized, clear and understandable manner. Once the email authorization is complete, the home page will be published in any moment. So here's the home page of the DeepPocket Lite web app. The home page shows the summary for the current period from all the banks. It provides a summary of the number of income credits and the total income credits, the number of debits and the total debit amount, the number of credit card usages and the totals spent using credit card, the FD income and the total amount of FD interests, and last but not the least, the net savings for the current month. You can choose any month and view the summary information. At the top, select a bank from the bank filter and view the summary information for the selected month. So for instance, here in the ICICI Bank for the month of July 2022, the total income credits is 89,298 and the total spent using credit card is about 1,300 rupees and the total net savings is about 90,000. Next, from the account filter, choose a particular account and get the account level summary for the selected time period. So these filters help to pin down the summary information to the bank account level. So now let's get the yearly perspective. For that, click the year-wise option to see the total credits in ICICI Bank for the year. By default, the current year will be shown here. So if you see, the number of income credits for the year 2022 in the ICICI Bank is 4 and the total amount of credits is about 3,67,000 and there was 4 credit card usages and about 8,000 rupees that was spent using credit card, and the net savings is about 3,67,000. So you can choose any bank and get the yearly perspective. So when there is such a clear visibility of net savings out of the total income credits, users can be fairly confident to invest the net savings in various financial schemes so that the money could be compounded. Next, the home page shows some key insights, comparative insights. As you can see, for the month of August 2022, the total income credits is up by 65% compared to the previous month. And there's 1% more debits compared to the July 2022. And 81% more credit card usage compared to the previous month. And that contributes to the 66% increase in the total net savings compared to the previous month. So here the context is month. The same perspective can be got for the year also. You can compare the years and get the insights. So these comparative insights can help in tracking the spending pattern and reinforcing the saving habits, or fine-tune the spending patterns and cut unwanted expenses and thereby increase the net savings. You can download the summary information onto your computer by clicking on the sandwich menu here, and under the quick action click on download CSV. This will download the entire summary information as an Excel file onto your computer. This can be opened and reviewed for your further analysis. So this home page shows the summary information. For more detailed information, click on any of these boxes here. So I'm clicking the total income credits box, and that takes me to another web page that shows more detailed information. The details are again shown by default for the current period. The income credits and the debits and the net savings for the current period, which is August 2022. And the bar chart gives a visual representation of the credits, debits and savings for the current period. Next is the Bankwise split up table, where for the total income credits and debits, it shows the split up of the income credits and debits in each bank. If there are more than one bank that involves the transactions, the net savings in each bank can be clearly viewed from this table. Further, the income credits from or the transactions in one particular bank can be viewed by selecting a row. For instance, I'm selecting the ICICI Bank row that displays all the transactions, both the credit and debit transactions in ICICI Bank for the current period, and shows in the transaction table below. If I select SBI, and the transactions pertinent to the SBI will be displayed below for the current period. And if you want to view only the credit transaction, click on the credit income credits just on the cell or on that box, and that will show the credit transactions in that particular bank. Similarly, if you want to view the debit transactions alone, you can click on that particular cell and see the transactions. This will give more information that is often overlooked with respect to some unwanted expenses that can be cut off to increase the savings. So this by default, here there's show all button which can be clipped, and you can restore the transactions. Now this is for the current period. If you want to view the period wise summary, click on period wise summary button, and this is going to give you the monthly information. So it lists the income credits, debits and savings for each month. So here it lists the July and August information here, income credits, debits and savings, and the bar chart will display the details for both the months. And here the data has only 2 months. If there are more than 2 months, it will be displayed here, and for each month the bar chart will show the credits, debits and savings. Again, in the Bankwise split up table, you can view the split up of the credits and the debits for the selected period. Like you can choose a particular month, say for example July 2022, and the income credits, say about 2 lakhs here, and the debits. The split up of this is shown here. And you can get the net savings in each bank. And similarly, go ahead with the view of transactions, credit and debit transactions, by selecting the row. So that concludes the demo of the DeepPocket Lite web app. The importance of tracking the monthly income and determining the net savings is often overlooked. The DeepPocket Lite web app consolidates all the bank accounts without the need to manually key in the credentials or account information or any other manual effort. It simplifies the tracking of debits, credits, and gives real-time bird's eye view of the net monthly savings and the credit card spendings in one click on one screen. The web app gives top priority for the user experience. To make it simple and efficient for all, the web app has no spams or ads. The user data is completely secure within their devices and not stored or transferred by the app. Please do share your comments and feedback about the web app at techsolve@gmail.com. Thank you for watching the video.